Hello everyone. Did you know about the 370 meters monster rock that will hit the planet in this century? Welcome back to our channel, Science Explorers, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of science. Today, we bring you some groundbreaking news that has left the scientific community in awe. Scientists have recently made a remarkable discovery: asteroids that pose a potential threat to our planet. One of the most prominent asteroids on their radar is Apophis. Named after the ancient Egyptian god of chaos, this massive space rock measures approximately 370 meters in diameter and was first discovered in 2004. Scientists have been meticulously studying Apophis to understand its trajectory and assess the probability of a potential impact with Earth. The Apophis asteroid has been a subject of great interest among scientists due to its close approach to Earth. Although the probability of a direct hit is currently low, it's crucial for us to closely monitor its orbit and any potential changes that may occur. Indeed, understanding the path of these asteroids is essential for developing strategies to mitigate any potential impact. However, it's important to note that predicting the precise outcome of an asteroid impact is an incredibly complex task. Despite significant advancements in scientific knowledge and technological capabilities, scientists cannot predict with absolute certainty the exact consequences of an asteroid's impact on our planet. The aftermath of an asteroid collision can lead to devastating consequences. Depending on the size and composition of the asteroid, the effects can range from localized destruction to global catastrophic events, such as climate disruption and the extinction of numerous species. While the scientific community is actively working on methods to deflect or mitigate potential threats, the possibility of an asteroid impact remains a subject of ongoing research and concern. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe, it's crucial for us to stay informed and support the incredible work being done by scientists worldwide. Remember to stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the fascinating world of science. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.